Okay, welcome back to Shaving Down Under, and I think it's part 3 of this second box I've got from the United States. And let's get this rolling. There we go. Now this is a vintage Gillette. It's a vintage traveller type Gillette. I'm pretty sure they're sterling silver. Couple of old blades in there. But I have always found these very interesting. When I first saw them on Mr. Razor's website, and now thankfully I have too. And if this is the first time you've seen one of these, wow, there's a bit of thread going on there. Looks like it's been used at least once. So the idea of it is your stash. Well, it's supposed to be. I don't know why that doesn't fit. Because it should fit. Maybe this is a different cap. I'm going to have to look into that. Whether this is legit or been put together. Oh. No, there we have it. Rightio. So I've just bought some shaving creams to try out. These are stuff that I can't say I've seen for sale in Australia. So I thought I'd just buy them and try them out and then move them on afterwards. So I don't know anything about these, but I imagine they're pretty decent quality creams. Here's another one, Arco. Out she comes. Sealed up, that's nice. Oops. Derby moisturizing shaving cream. I'd say this would be pretty standard sort of sealed as well. Nice shaving cream, probably very similar to the Gillette ones that I bought from India. But this one is very interesting. So this is vintage, Palmolive, obviously. Hopefully it's still in. Yep, it moves. It's pliable. I don't know if you can see down there or not, but that looks like it's still ready to go. So I can't wait to try this brushless shaving cream. Did you read that? You can just pause it and have a read. Oh. Okay. The shaving brush. Now, I bought this just because of the handle. I think it's a really cool looking handle. Just appeals to me for whatever reason. Maybe not to anyone else, but I will get that knot out and re-knot it. I like it. Some more Wilkinson sword blades. Here we go. This is obviously a Starburst Gillette, and this is the champagne coloured one. So the pink, probably the champagne's probably the hardest to find of the three. There's the champagne, there's the pink, that's fairly hard to get hold of, but the blue is very, very common. And the theory there with the blue Starburst is that a lot of men used them back in the day because they were a mild shave. So the theory is that men were buying blue ones to use, but of course a lot of women out there like the colour blue as well, so they would have been buying it just the same. Okay. I don't know if this is part of something. But I can show you why I bought it. On the top, FCB. I just really like these old Gillettes that have got the engraving on it. Just really like it. So this is probably just bobbed up somewhere just by itself, and I've grabbed it. Okay, we'll leave this video where it is, and we'll see you next week with another unboxing video.